YouTube! What's up? What's going on with ya? So, hi, this is my bestie Takashi. Say hi. Well, she's not going to say hi, so, but I'm going to say hi for her. That's my girlfriend. That's my baby. Can you see her? Anyway, I'm going to be singing Sleeping in My Bed, Drew Hill, my version. I sing my version of everything kind of faster, so bear with me. All right. I'm still congested, too. Remember that. All right. I got this feeling, and I just can't turn it loose. That somebody's been getting next to you. I don't want to walk around knowing I was your fool. 'Cause being the man that I am, I just can't lose my cool. My friends keep telling me about the things that's going on. Yeah. But deep in my heart, baby, I hope they're wrong. Yes, I hope they're wrong, but I know it, babe. Somebody's sleeping in my bed, my bed, my bed. Somebody's taking my bed. Yeah. Somebody's sleeping in my bed. And you know what I mean. Whoa, I come home early, expecting your warm embrace. But something is wrong, 'cause it's written all on your face. It's so bad when I walked through the door. But you know one damn thing, baby, I ain't coming back no more. No, no, no. So don't try to tell me things are still the same. Yeah. 'Cause when we made love, I heard you call out his name, call out his name. Somebody sleeping in my bitch, my baby. Somebody's taking Quilla's place.